what we're going to show you is how to remove this annoying text which says design and developed by amplethemess. So now I don't know how many themes they have amplethemess, but what you have to do is you must have your cPanel access. So when you're there, so you're gonna be able to do what we're looking for here. So in most cases they go to you go to admin w content, and if you're there, I'm gonna get you something here. Get you something there. If you're there, sorry about that, something's going on, but it's okay. If you are there, you saw the, then you go to themes. When you go to themes, you look for your theme. After looking for your theme, something is disturbing us here. Okay, we're gonna, let me stop that phone. Yeah guys, let's proceed. I'm sorry about that. Okay, you look for your theme. I used this Ample magazine, so but now it says special news. So we go there. Sometimes some themes come with double, what they call double folders. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to look for header, footer. If you don't see any footer here, you can look for, okay, footer page. There are two here, and here you can go in there and try to search. I'm trying to search. You can see I can get it here. So what I do, I can delete this and delete that and delete it until here. Then also I go here, and delete that, and also go here up. You see here up where there's a website, I delete that, and also I delete here and I put my website. I say just code.co.za. So after doing that, you know that everything must be right here, copyright, whatever. Okay, once we save, we should see that working 100%. So let me click here. Okay, once I click there, then you can see that it has moved. But anyway, if you want to proceed with that and put a new text, you can put a new text, and for instance, you can put a new text where we deleted text, and say just code. Okay, once we're done with that, we can now refresh, and we see if we don't see anything, it's fine. We're gonna go down below where we deleted the first content here and say just code. Okay, and we come and say content. Okay. Oh, we say great content. Okay, now after doing that, you save. After saving, we go to your website and check. Okay, just code. We put here just code. You can see this. That one also, you can remove that if you want. I'll go here and we check what is that. You can see it's here. here. Okay, let me see. It would be not that, but it's easier to remove. If I don't find it, this is what we talk about. We delete that and we save. After saving, we're gonna go back here and do that. Okay, after refreshing, we're gonna go down and you can see it's gone. You get me, guys? So that's the way you do that. It's quite simple. It doesn't take a lot of time and it doesn't need you to know much of coding. That's something you can take out. But then you must have your FTP, what they call FTP. See what I did here. Must have your FTP. Okay, you must have your FTP details. So if you're using a different theme, you go to footer. Sometimes some people, they don't put it there, they put it in that functions page. So you have to look, like, check one line by line. Also you can use a trick by say control, then you say footer. It's not here, you know, yeah, then you can see footer 1, footer what, you can see footer here. So then you know that I'm checking through and I'm using this section to check what I want to check. So what I want to tell you is this thing is that, but these guys, they do put in different things, but now if you miss it in a footer, you can get it in functions. You get me? Some people, they might not put it in functions, they can put it somewhere else. Let me close here. You see, if you check into those two places and you cannot get them in footer and functions, you go back. You can also, some of them, they put them in asset. Then you say special news. You see special news, this is one of the same thing, because it is some websites, they create two themes, you get me, two folders, you get me. So that's a problem, so whereby it can give you more and more challenges to do that, you get me. So but I'll advise you, if you will never fail to do that. That's something very simple to do. So check in each and every page. If you didn't pay, if you check in the two I gave you, then you have to check in functions. No functions are many. Look, listen, these functions here in that page, and also we saw functions in that folder. We also saw functions in a different folder, you get me. So we saw also functions here, but this time they didn't put in functions, they put it in footer, so we took it here. So you saw functions here, also you have to check in that. If you don't get it, I'm saying people are using different themes, you can say also look into this that folder. You can also look into assets, you can find CSS whatever, awesome whatever. So some of them, they do hide them a little bit far so that you don't take it easy, because sometimes it works like a source of advertisement, you get me. So you check in each and every PHP page, and if you don't find that, I don't know, maybe you can put a comment in the post below, in the comment box below, I'm sorry. Then maybe I can help you on that if I can find the theme you are looking for. So guys, I'm about to what they call conclude our video. So if you find some difficulties, please let us know. We are here to help you. If you can't find that, that can cost you even to change a theme if you are not patient. Be patient, look for it, and you're gonna find it. Don't worry about anything. Please make sure everything is going well, and also try to be a fighter. Don't give up just easy, and I'm sure everything is gonna be super fine. Now guys, this is the time for us to close. We encourage you to help us and comment on the channel, and also like the channel, and also share content of our channel, and also subscribe on the channel. All of those things, we need them from you, so we grow because of your support. There's no YouTuber who would say I'm fine without people. Then what are you making that content for? Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. This is Azania Tutorials. I'm happy to do this